Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Streamlit and deploy to Streamlit Community Cloud, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Streamlit, start by ensuring you have Python installed on your machine. You can download Python from the official website, python.org. Once Python is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. To create a virtual environment, type python mvenv and press enter. Activate the virtual environment by running source -bin/activate on macOS or Linux. For Windows, use -scripts/activate. Next, install Streamlit by typing pip install Streamlit and pressing enter. Wait for the installation to complete. To verify the installation, run the Streamlit Hello in your terminal. A new browser window should open displaying the Streamlit Hello app. Now, let's create your own Streamlit app. In your terminal, create a new directory for your app using dir myapp and navigate into it with cd myapp. Create a new Python file named app.py using a text editor of your choice. In app.py, import Streamlit with import Streamlit as st. You can now add your content using Streamlit functions like st.title and st.write. Save your changes to app.py. To run your app locally, type Streamlit run app.py in the terminal. You should see a new browser window showing your application. Once you are satisfied with your app, it's time to deploy it to Streamlit Community Cloud. First, create a GitHub repository for your project. Make sure your app.py file is in this repository. You also need a requirements.txt file that contains the necessary libraries. To create this file, type pip freeze requirements.txt in your terminal. Commit your code and push it to your GitHub repository using git add, git commit m initial commit, and git push origin main. Next, go to the Streamlit Community Cloud website. Log in using your GitHub account. Click on New App to create a new application. Select your GitHub repository and branch where your app resides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.